There are 3 ways that I'm able to travel to places like Italy and still earn online from my business. 1, I have my businesses set up online in a funnel where people can buy from me automatically. That ranges anywhere from $19 products that I have to products that are tens of thousands of dollars that people apply to work with me on a different level. So it varies in different price ranges. 2, when they purchase, I have automated systems that send them access to whatever they bought from me. So a lot of those are digital assets. So they're sent through emails. They're given logins, passwords, access to their courses, or they're sent their digital books or PDF downloads automatically so that even if they purchase while I'm filming this video, they will automatically receive that and I don't have to do that manually. Last, I have a virtual assistant that handles all my Instagram messages, all my Instagram comments, all my emails, all my customer service. So I do not have to be checking social media. And in fact, I very rarely check social media, and I don't have to be responding to social media because it's being taken care of by somebody else. So everything from how my products are purchased to how they're delivered to how then they're maintained and customer service and how all my messages are getting responded to, I don't actually have to be present for any of those things at all. If you'd like to learn how I built multiple 7 figures, where most of it's on automation, but I'm still able to earn and do really cool stuff while I travel, check the description, check the link here somewhere, and I will see you there.